Okay, we're going to have a quick look at what you've been asked to do in Hegarty Maths today, because I think quite a lot of people are struggling with it. So this is the quadratic formula here in the middle. Okay, and basically whenever we've been using factorising so far to solve these things, like putting it into brackets to get the answers from it, we can't always use this formula. Okay, it will always work. Factorising won't always work. This one will, but you need a calculator for it because obviously it looks quite complex. And the way that it works is basically, if you write a quadratic in the format, the x squared term first, then the x term, then the number term equals 0, you just put in what these numbers are, okay, into this, and just do it on your calculator. Now Mr. Hegarty does a little, he sort of concentrates on this part first and then puts it all in. I'm not going to do that, I'm just going to show you how to do it straight away, okay. So, check first that it equals 0. Does this equal 0? Yep. Have I got my x squared, then my x, then my number term? Yep. So that means that A is 5, because it's the number in front of the x squared. B is minus 4, and be very, very careful to make sure you take into account negatives. And C is minus 3. Okay. So some of you were struggling with that on the homework because you were forgetting the 3's. I think some of you were trying to do like the 5 times the 3. We're not doing that anymore. That's only when you're factorising it. Just make sure it equals 0. So if you get one that doesn't equal 0, you'll need to rearrange it. So for example, if I had 4x squared equals, say, 7x plus 3, well, that doesn't equal 0 at the minute. So what I'd need to do there is take 7x and 3x over to your side, so both of them become a minus. And then, when it equals 0, then I can say, well, A is 4, B is minus 7, and C is minus 3. And all we're going to do is you're going to use your calculator to just plug them 3 numbers in where A, B, and C appear in this, and that's it. Okay? So, putting it into your calculator then, you're going to have x equals minus b. Now, b is a negative in this one, so be careful. That's minus bracket minus 4, plus or minus, I'm going to explain what this is in a sec, square root of b squared, b is minus 4, remember, that's minus 4 in brackets squared, minus 4, brackets 5, brackets minus 3, and that's all over 2a, so that's 2 times 5, okay, and all you're going to do is put that into your calculator. Now, that's the issue then now, isn't it, the plus minus. What that means is that you put it in once with a plus, get your answer, and then put it in again with your minus and get an answer. So, plugging all this in, press your fraction button first. You've got minus brackets minus 4 plus square root brackets minus 4 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is minus 3, all over 2 times a, which is 5. Okay? So what I've got there should mirror exactly what I've written down there. So when I press equals, I get one answer of x equals 1.27. And then what I can do is go back through all this to get where the cursor is flashing just by the plus, delete it, change it to a minus, press equals again, and it will give me my second answer of x equals minus 0.47. Okay? Right, pause the video and have a go at this one, please. Okay, so A should be 2, B is minus 13, and C is 1. So putting that in, we don't need, because B is a minus again, we still need to do minus brackets minus 13, plus square root of minus 13 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1, all over 2 times A, which is 2 times 2 for this question, 2A. 2 times 2. Okay, and your answers should have ended up being somewhere around 6.42 and 0.08, somewhere around there. Okay, right, can you now go and have a go at the Hegarty Maths thing again, please?